Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to create a flowchart to display a message on the screen, hello world. So we will call this flowchart hello world using flowchart using flowgorithm. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have to double click the shortcut flowgorithm here in my desktop in Microsoft Windows to run the program. Okay, to display the message hello world on the screen using flowchart using flowgorithm, we simply click this one and then we select output, double click the output symbol and then we write double quotation hello world and then we enclose with the quotation and then click OK. That's it. So when we click the play button here, it will display hello world. That's simple. Again, when we click hello world, that's it guys. So this is the most easiest way to display a message hello world using a flowchart and flowgorithm. So this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.